Jacob's got his Greg's sausage roll at the ready, and it's time for some opening day chaos. You're watching Ride Comparisons, and we're here for Toxicators opening day. Are you ready?
Yeah.
Driving past there, guys, it looks as busy, if not busier, than Nemesis Reborn's opening day. And obviously, Toxicator only has a capacity of 500 guests per hour, so I'm not really sure how this is going to go.
Yeah.
Anyway, guys, really excited. We haven't, I mean, we've been on the ride to happiness, but we haven't been to a sort of thrill theme park for ages, have we? So it's going to be really fun to get back. Really excited.
We've got Hyperion tomorrow.
Hyperion tomorrow as well. Anyway, let's go see what Toxicator's like. Can it compare with Talican?
Okay, guys, here we go. Alton Towers for the first time in 2025, and Toxicator's opening day. I'm pretty sure that's busier than Nemesis Reborn, isn't it?
Yikes.
We picked the wrong queue here. Better move over here. Everyone's running already. Here we go. 2, 1. Oh, that looks pretty cool there.
Yeah.
Oh no, we're going to be waiting a while, Jacob. Oh no. I really didn't want to have to run, but otherwise I'm going to have to wait for ages. Run, Jacob! I don't think we've secured a good position in the queue, what do you reckon?
Nah, we're not running fast enough.
So many
Too
people
big.
there. For a flat ride, I knew there would be loads of people. Oh dear, I really don't want to see the queue. I dread to think. It looks better than I thought it was, actually, to be fair.
Attention. Power surge in the chemical transference unit. Engineering teams must initiate.
Yeah, I haven't seen the other side yet. No, to be fair, they've done a really good job on this, guys.
It does look really cool.
I thought it looked terrible from the photos online.
Yeah.
The lighting at night looked good, but no, they've done a really good job. This is awesome. Oh, okay, guys, here's the queue. I thought we were lucky there. Obviously not. Oh no, Jacob. I thought it was too good to be true. Oh dear. This is going to be like 4 hours, I reckon. Ouch. I was happy, I'm not now. You can actually see the end of the queue already. So we got the approaching splash zone there, guys. Luckily it's not on too high at the moment.
Yeah.
That would be cold today. It's a bit soggy.
Yeah.
That is very well themed though, isn't it? Probably one of the most well themed top spins actually. It probably does give
Talican,
I don't know, it gives it a little bit of a run for its money, I suppose. Ready?
Yeah.
Yeah. Just down by the Galactica queue, guys, because it's a bit more quiet here. What did you think?
I enjoyed that.
Do you know what, guys? I was moaning a little bit in the queue because it only did about 3 or 4 flips. Obviously on Talican at Phantasialand you get like 9 and it just keeps going. But I think that's a little bit with the actual flip itself. I think that pulls more G's. What do you reckon?
Good.
And the theming as well. From what I saw online, it didn't look like a lot, but it's actually really well themed, isn't it? It's got a story with the Nemesis monster there. I couldn't actually work out whether it was the liquid is from the Nemesis monster and it turns you into like a monster or something, or if the Toxicator was to cure you. I wasn't too sure. I wasn't too sure on that one. But anyway, guys, it is actually really good. The only problem I've got with it is the cycle, but I think that's because it's a busy day.
Yeah. It's busy.
Obviously, Alton Towers advertised it as 500 per hour. There's no way because it's got a shorter cycle than Telecom, which is 900 per hour.
90-minute queue.
Yeah, we didn't wait that long either, did we?
We waited like an hour.
I mean, we waited an hour on opening day.
About half an hour when it opened.
Yes, so this is it. I don't think you're going to have to wait long, guys. Definitely get down and give it a go. It is actually very good. Pleasantly surprised with that.
Yeah.
And that's a great addition to this area. Okay, so Toxicator was definitely a pleasant surprise there, guys. But this is what we've been waiting to get back on, isn't it? Probably my favourite in the park now, to be fair.
Yeah, we enjoyed it more than Smiler last time.
Yeah, this is it. Nemesis Reborn is an absolute beast.
It's awesome.
Hour queue there, probably the longest I've seen it for a while, but you get a pretty good view of it in the Nemi queue, don't you? Nemesis has died.
Yeah.
So that queue just killed me, guys. How long were we in for?
Probably like 3 hours.
3 hours. Nemesis queue line advertised 60 minutes. 3 hours. Broke down like 3 times, didn't it? Oh my god. That was just, yeah. We expected it from Towers, though, unfortunately. Just coming back at Toxicator for a look, guys. It's actually got the shortest queue in the park. So that's good signs for the future, isn't it? It'd be nice to see the cycle increase over time, as I say. God, that Nemesis queue, guys, that just killed me. So most people are going to tell you about Toxicator's opening day, but they're not going to tell you about the operations at the rest of the park. And
they were awful on them.
They were awful on them, weren't they? They were really bad. Obviously, staff for training, so this is usually what happens when you get the opening days and the first week or so of the theme park's running. So it's not really the end of the world, is it? To be expected. We're just going to go to Curse now because it's usually, we've never seen it without a 5-minute queue, and we want something to shorten. Can't be doing that again.
25 minutes.
As you can see, guys, they've got rid of the actors. They don't even have the guy with the spade anymore, do they? They didn't keep anything at all, unfortunately. And as you can see, it's got an advertised 25-minute queue time. That's never usually... I've never seen it that much, have you? There's no way. You're right. I don't think it's 25. It doesn't look like it.
It looks more like 10 minutes like it.
Yeah, it's definitely not 25 minutes there. So this queue time was too high. The last one was too low.
I'd rather have it too low than too high. Though.
Yeah, me too. So there we go, guys. We got a little bit of good news after how bad that Nemesis queue was.
Curse was good.
Curse was very good. All the effects were working. There was only one effect that wasn't working.
They topped up the smell pods as well.
They topped up the smell pods.
It smells really good.
There was only one effect that wasn't working, guys, and it was quite comical. It was, you know, the baby's head that comes out of the barrel was facing the wrong way, which was, it was quite a funny effect to get wrong, but much better than the last time we went on it. It was rotting last time, wasn't it? So I'm glad to see it working again. Okay, so I'm trying to plan my route, guys, but the app seems to be broken. It's saying that Spinball Whizzer is the only ride in the park that's a thrill ride, and it's closed. So yeah, don't really know what we're going to do now, according to the app. So I have no idea why the app's not working there, guys. It literally just says Spinball Whizzer, which is closed. Obviously, we can see that that's closed, so that is actually accurate. We heard that Rita's been closed as well, apparently. So we're going to go and give Single Rider at Smiler a go, aren't we? Oblivion, maybe. Hey, it's nice to see the towers again, isn't it?
Yeah.
So we live down south, don't we? So we don't get to come here much.
I do love the towers.
So when you see our experiences at Towers, guys, we're sort of like the general public because we don't really come here very often, so we want to try and get on all the rides, and it's just absolutely impossible here, isn't
I
it?
used to love it here.
I mean, Fort Park you can do them all in a day, can't you? But so I was just looking at my phone. I didn't even realise I was in the area. They've turned the Smiler music down, haven't they?
It's way too loud.
Yeah, but it's nice when you walk into X Sector to have the music playing.
Yeah, but it's too loud on music.
It's too loud in the queue, yeah, definitely. Oh, I love the Smiler. It's been so long. Shame we're probably not going to get on it. I don't even want to have a look. Are we ready, guys? What do we reckon? I'm going to say 95. Ah, 70. 70's not bad. Do you reckon it's accurate though?
Probably not.
Yeah, we're definitely not going Single Rider. Oh my god. Oh, and Oblivion is closed. Oh no. Oh, good old Towers. This is why we're not joining the Alton Towers Creator Programme. Okay, so they've just updated the queue time to the Smiler to 90 minutes.
Yeah, that seems more accurate.
More accurate, but still wrong. It's longer than that. We've done it too many times to know this.
Horrible.
And with the rapid fast access and Single Rider there going all the way out, that's just going to take forever, isn't it? And Oblivion's closed. Oh, that was such a long walk for nothing.
Living with us helped.
Wickerman's currently 85 minutes. I don't know if this is new. I've never seen this overflow queue, have you?
No.
But I'll tell you one thing, with that overflow queue, if I've never seen it, usually in there it's a lot longer than that, than 85 minutes there, so Yeah, I think it's a no for the Wickerman, unfortunately. We actually said we weren't going to come over here today. We said we were going to leave this area, didn't we? But before we give it a go, we got 13 with a 90-minute queue there.
What is going on?
And yeah, we've got Rita closed, guys. So what's that? Oblivion closed, Rita closed, Spinball Wizard closed,
Rapids closed, Hex closed.
Hex closed, Galactica closed a little bit, didn't it? So we're in Galactica's queue now. It's advertised 25. We'll have a quick look. Everyone's walking out of it for some reason, but 25 for Galactica. I don't think I've ever seen that. Take a little look there. So advertised 25 minutes, guys, and it's all the way back here, and as Galactica always does, it's gone down, unfortunately. So
a temporary delay, and we hope to be back in operation soon.
So unfortunately, we do know that that's definitely not a 25-minute queue. That's got us well over.
I knew it was there.
Yeah, this is it. I mean, I estimate that at about an hour and a half, but Galactica, the amount of times it breaks down, it broke down as soon as we got in the queue, didn't it? Yeah.
Actually really sad.
So yeah, Jacob's sad because he loves Alton Towers, and obviously it's in a bit of a state. I mean, it's been like this for...
It's our worst day.
Worst day. No, I'm enjoying the Toxicator vibe, and you know, all the vloggers, everyone's here, everyone's having a good day. Just the Towers operations, guys.
Outside of that though.
Yeah, it's a bit of a shame. It's been about 2-3 years now. They really need to sort their ops out, don't they?
They really do.
They need like 5 Toxicators.
You to make your way to the nearest exit to venture elsewhere. We apologise for any inconvenience and thank you for your patience.
Always
Once again, Toxicator is experiencing a delay that unfortunately cannot be resolved in the foreseeable future and has ceased operation.
So, the one ride we could go on, because the queue wasn't too bad, we're now getting evacuated from. Me and Jacob were literally sat on it. Oh, it's such a mistake.
I need to get fast track.
Is this the... Oh, okay. Looks like Toxicators exploded. They've exploded the drain? Oh my god, Toxicator exploded! I love it when they dress up the frogs. It's pretty cool. Not having a good day now. No. That's a real shame, guys. I mean, we did come for Toxicator's opening day. Obviously, we didn't expect it to explode, but unfortunately, the rest of the rides in the park are all just buggered, aren't they? Half of them are closed, and the rest of them are really, really high queue times. Like, they're advertised 95 minutes, but we know they're longer than that, don't we? And there we go. We're going to go to guest services now, see if we can get a fast track, because obviously we waited, I think, just about an hour for Toxicator. We sat on it and it exploded. See what guest services will do. So we've just been told at guest services, guys, unfortunately they don't offer fast tracks if you've been on the rides, which is a real shame, because if you go to Fort Park, they'll have somebody waiting when the queue line's getting evacuated, and they just hand you out the fast track straight away, don't they?
Best park in the UK, definitely.
Best, yeah, Fort Park's definitely best in the UK now.
Clearly.
Okay. Apparently, guys, Coaster Talk actually messaged on my TikTok saying that if you join the Alton Towers Creator Program, you're still allowed to say what you like in your content. So maybe we'll give them an email. I think we should get these guys to operate the park. I think they do a better job.
Get the dots on the smiler.
Okay, so Oblivion is currently being evacuated. Rita's still closed. This is a bit of a nightmare, isn't it? So the only thing we've got to redeem the day is Smiler with an apparent 60 minutes queue. I'm going to double that, so yeah, I guess we're in the Smiler queue for a couple of hours. Come on, Smiler, redeem the day for us. Give us something. Give us something. It's so loud. Which way is it? I can't even remember. Sure, I'm eating a cream egg. That was awesome, wasn't it? That's probably the highlight of the day, guys. Gotta love the Smiler. Fresh coat of paint there. They still haven't done the audio before the vertical lift hill, have they?
Sorted the restraints either.
Yeah, they're still mouldy. First night ride of the year there, guys, on Oblivion. That was great, wasn't it? Oh man, it's so nice to get back to the theme parks. I forgot how much I love them. Like,
yeah, even when you have a bad day like this, we're the coaster.
It has been a bit chaotic, guys, but we're trying to. Yeah, I've still had a good day. I mean, despite all the chaos.
Yeah, we turned it around at the end.
One thing I will commend Towers on today is the ride access pass queues have been empty.
Yeah.
I don't know what they've done, but Yeah, stuff's been moving really fast. I think the problem today has just been staff learning, so that should get better throughout the year. And obviously ride availability has been terrible, hasn't it?
Oblivion's operations were good.
This is really throwing me off, Alton After Dark. It's like, it's not October yet, what's going on? Looking at the lights there, guys, I'm not sure what that's all about. Be careful if you've got epilepsy. I've never seen them flicker that fast. We've got a little rave going on in the Hex Vault. So I just asked a member of staff there, guys. Forbidden Valley got evacuated and apparently it's still closed. So unfortunately we can't see Toxicator at night, which was something I really wanted to see. What about you?
No one gets to see it now.
No one gets to see it. We don't get to come up here often, so that's a real shame. But
yeah.
We're going to try the Wickerman, guys. I'm not too sure. Me and Jacob waited in it before and it started raining, and it's probably one of the worst times I've ever waited in a queue. It just took hours. So
the rain didn't help.
The rain didn't help, no.
It wasn't running full capacity, it was 2 trains.
Dread to even look. Oh, it's still in the overflow. I don't know if I can't do it to myself. I know you want to, don't you? We got Fort Park tomorrow, remember?
It's a good night ride though.
It is a good night ride, but 90 minutes. It's not 90 minutes, it's just coming out the entrance there. Obviously that does look awesome, and we know it's awesome because we've done it loads of times, but oh, they got the fire going again, look.
Yeah.
I can't do that to myself, guys.
I haven't done it today.
I know, but there's been way too many long queues, and I think we've braved enough already.
Maybe we should do choo-choo.
Runaway mine train?
Yeah.
Well, really? Please remain seated.
Not today.
Please remain seated. It haunts my dreams. Looks like we're going to brave the queue for the day one more time. Okay, we're definitely not going to be braving this queue one more time.
Choo-choo.
I think we're just going to go to Kirst, aren't we?
Yeah.
5 minutes walk on, fair enough. I never actually noticed they got Emily Alton in the window at the top, did you?
No.
I never noticed that before. Okay, me and Jacob basically have Curse of Alton Manor to ourselves.
Yeah.
I'm really...
They don't show the price of pizza pasta anymore.
No, they don't advertise. Jacob, you and your pizza pasta.
They're too scared to show.
I'm happy with Curse of Alton Manor, guys, because they really did let it rot last time we were here, didn't they? So it's good to see that they've actually done a little bit of TLC on it. After how it's been today, that's going to be me when I wake up for Fort Park tomorrow. I can't believe we're all alone.
Yeah. That is.
It makes it more... This is quite spooky, actually. What the hell? Yeah. We've just gone from, like, thousands of people to no one. Curse is good there, guys, but we needed a short queue, didn't we, really? So, whilst we're here anyway, we're going to have a look at Forbidden Valley and see what's happened. Obviously, they said it was evacuated. The staff member said it's still evac, so... I just want to see if we can get a peek at Toxicator. Okay, so that staff member didn't know what he was on about, because apparently Forbidden Valley is open. And Nemi's going round, so fair enough. I wish we knew that earlier.
Yeah.
Okay, I was not expecting that, guys. Toxicator is back open. I don't know how they did that. Fair play, Alton Towers. Fair play. You know what? Fair play to Towers. That's actually... That's crazy, that is. So I just asked the ride host, guys. I said we were in it. We were literally on the ride when it exploded. And I asked the staff member there, I said, I've got proof on my GoPro. Can you let us go in the ride access pass queue or let us go in the fast track queue or something? She said they're not allowed, unfortunately, which is a bit of a shame there. I'm not waiting for it again after we've already waited for it, unfortunately, guys. But I have got to say, that looks really cool. It does look good, doesn't it? So let's try Nemi. I'm not waiting for Wickerman, that's just too long at the moment. 45 minutes. They lied to us earlier, but let's give it a go. This is my favourite night ride in the park now. An awesome night ride on Nemi there. Unfortunately, we did get the middle. The ride operator did want to give us the back, but he couldn't. It was very good. Oh my gosh, guys. What an absolutely chaotic day that was.
Yeah.
Towers opening day. It has been a roller coaster of emotions today. Just absolute chaos, but I've had a really good day. What about you?
Yeah, it got better.
This is it. We stayed a little bit later than we should have there because we've got Fort Park's opening tomorrow. It's now 20 to 9.
I don't know how tomorrow's going to turn out now.
Apparently Hyperion is only going to be on one train. But if you are coming to Alton Towers this weekend, guys, now that it's back open again, obviously Forbidden Valley didn't get... I think it got evacuated. Everybody was talking about it. We weren't actually there. But when we went there, obviously it's now open. Toxicator's working again. So that's all I've got for you guys. It's been a crazy one. If you did enjoy today's video, don't forget, hitting that subscribe button really, really helps us continue to do this. And I'll see you next time.